Morning.
Morning.
So today we are flying out with Alaska West Air in Nikiski, Alaska. We are going on this float plane here up to Wolverine Creek, where we're going to try to do some fishing and bear viewing. We're kind of in between the Sockeye run and the silver run. So the Sockeyes are kind of heading out and the silvers are coming in. So we'll do what we can to get on some fish. First time on one of these float planes. Should be pretty cool. I think it's about a 6-hour trip.
Where's my coffee? I know you came from Kenai.
I found your lettuce wrap.
Found me a lettuce wrap.
No, I found your lettuce wrap.
My lettuce wrap?
Your lettuce wrap sauce, actually.
Oh. Signature. Up in front of the co-pilot on the dash, there's a black button that says ELT on it. That's the emergency locator transmitter. If something happened to us, hit that button. Somebody's gonna come find us real quick. Seat belts, the regular lap belts, and I think you guys all got them figured out. Life jackets in the seat back pouches in front of you. Co-pilot, it's in the door pouch there. About a 20-ish, 25-minute flight over. Beautiful day. Get after it, guys.
All right.
Oh yeah, questions, comments, concerns?
Yeah.
Oh, those go in the back. You got actually your right there. Or sorry, that's it.
You're such a nice child.
It was.
launch up?
No, we're gonna load up. Is that how launch crap is?
Light bite, we got him. Fishing with the Grizzly Bears. Fish are right in this hole where the clear turns to cloud. Trying to run up that stream. And the bears are here waiting.
Fishing with the Bears at Jimmy Jack's Lodge. Sow, 3 cubs.
The Sockeye salmon hang out up front. They're all trying to get up that stream and go to their birthplace and spawn and die. So the guides and outfitters have a unwritten
Good job. She is hungry. About 15 yards away.
took off. Bob around right now.
So we are back at our bed and breakfast on the Kenai River. Today we finally got our float plane charter done. What we did was jump on I think it was a beaver plane. Us four, the pilot and our guide. And we flew up to the big river, Wolverine Creek, across the Kenai Peninsula. I don't know if it's Cook Inlet or not. I'd have to take a look at the map. But we saw some bears feeding on some salmon. We caught one silver salmon and a few sockeye. It's kind of in between the runs. The sockeye are kind of heading out and the silver are not quite in yet. So it wasn't as action-packed as we thought it might be, but it was fun regardless. And so that was done in the morning into the early afternoon. So we're back here at our house and we are down on the Kenai again trying to fill our bag with sockeye salmon. So we're doing that tonight. Gonna try to get it to the processor by 9 o'clock. And tomorrow is our free day. So probably head back down here tomorrow and maybe check some stuff out in town, but coming to an end and it's been a blast. We have had some good luck and a lot of fish. Good time in Alaska. We got a fish on. Down on the Kenai. Jason's trying to bump it off the line. Now it's right in front of me. Got it. Nope, nope. Hole in the net. It's going in. Your underwear on backwards. You have your underwear on backwards.
That's a drop off. Dude. In case you're wondering, we got some shrinkage. Cool. No, it's a drop off. Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, man.
on backward. They're on backward.
Oh man, that is hilarious.
Go. You get off? Nope.
Don't give it slack. Oh man, thought we were gonna see you go for a swim.
Came off. Oh yeah, the net will be there every time. Attaboy. Attaboy. Thank you.
Hey, that was a good job.
That was a nice net job. That thing was pulling like crazy. The strength in those things. That's crazy. How much power they've got for that.
But their mouth is relatively weak, so you don't want to pull too hard either.
No. No, and I didn't want to start reeling against, I wanted to wear him out. He was pulling drag. And it's pretty tight. That power is crazy.
Drop the fish off here, they weigh it. And we got some good helpers that clean them up. Get any excess stuff that needs to get cut off. Prep the bags, put them in the sealer. Good operation. We're at the processing plant here. There's the boxes they put them in. They package them right there.
All thick 5 mil.
5 mil bags.
We'll pack these. That's right here. 50-pound box. Styro lid on top. Pack them right up to here. Lid. Tape them. Strap them. And so we seal the in so they last. I say 24 hours. I'm very conservative in my approach because I think we can.
Do airlines require special tape?
No, just throw it as a lug. Just
We can throw duct tape on it.
We could, yeah. I can give you some packing tape too. More deal.
Alright. Perfect.
Alrighty, guys.
Cool. Thanks for taking care of us.
You're welcome, guys.
Have a good night.
You too.